Move.
There, please.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Ano?
Iniwan tayo.
Goodbye. Goodbye daw.
Saan ba nakikilala? Tagal-tigil. Papatay na lang sa topic pa rin. Wow. Yes, sabi ko.
Ako pang nagkata.
Go ahead.
Let's do the right.
Yeah.
The right.
And ornament. Ornament. And how I look at the right side.
You go ahead. Just in case you fall, I'll catch you. Beng, I'll catch you.
Hanggang ngayon, masakit pa ngayon pa ako eh. Dahil dito tayo sa sakyan.
Ganda pa ng outfit mo ah. Akin na lang yung
Oh,
jacket.
tara na. Baba na tayo. Ulit. Ala Jade.
Shopping mo ko ka?
Wow. What's this? Rice. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on, boy. Ha? Dami mo na sinelas eh.
Anong pangalan?
Ewan ko, di ko rin mabasa. Hindi ko suot yung salamin ko. Kakapain ko na, naanapin ko pa yung salamin ko. Di ba bumili ka na ng ano? Mabigat.
Pero masarap po.
Pero mabigat. Mabigat.
Pero pwede na siya. Ano nga, ipan ko. Riz, benda.
Naiwan na tayo.
Okay na. Upfront dito.
Gana. Poking. Ito, poking. Poking ina mo. Poking ina mo. Poking ina.
Tama nga yun.
Fucking.
I told you. Ano ba siya? Sabi niya tutulungan sa akin.
Totoo nga sinabi niya.
Hi, Janelle. How are you today?
How are you, my dear?
I'm thinking that too. The one with noodles and they put fish sauce, parang salad. Yum. That's what I had last time.
Ano ba ito?
Or the grilled pork belly blabbermouth.
Ito, meron pa inimenzo, 800.
With pita. And a ding.
Okay. May wine pa. Ano yun?
Sorry. I was like, how do you know he's kidding? I know, I was so happy because I was like, oh, finally, Papa is going to be able to do it again. To do something, yeah.
Nobody remember it could be hot.
Yeah.
There you go. What's that?
Yun, what
Chicharon. May chicharon. Ben, chicharon, no?
Hindi chicharon yan.
Bawal sa iyan.
It's
Oh, bawal sa kanya yan. Parang chicharon eh.
Ganun yan. Sige, isang ano
Just the
lang.
green one.
Malamig pa. Para saan naman to? Oh, I think so,
you can
yeah.
like use that.
Yeah. Kaya talagang siya ng tempurado.
Now here.
that was her, yeah.
She wanted me to eat her.
But it was like
Okay na rin
Yeah,
siya.
when we were driving, there's a lot of cars that pulls over on the side, and Jimbo was like always like, "Oh my god, is that a cop? Is that an unmarked?"